is everybody this morning?
Tired. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, we are going to continue on with branches of government today. So, I'm going to read our content statement one more time. It says the U.S. and Ohio constitutions separate the major responsibilities into three branches of government. So today is going to be a big review day of all three branches of government. So I am going to pass out your paper that you did yesterday so that you can remember some extra things that you learned about each branch of government. So let's start with the executive branch. Who can remember, first of all, what the executive branch does? Quietly raising our hand. What does the executive branch do? Yes.
Enforce laws.
Oh, absolutely. It enforces the law. Okay. Now that we've written down what it does, who is a part of the executive branch?
President.
The president. Good. Who else? That's our federal level. What about our local level? Who's in charge at our local level?
The state is the governor.
Governor. Okay. What about at the local?
In Highland Heights, we have a mayor.
We have a mayor, you're right. Who knows what the mayor's name is of Highland Heights?
Chuck.
Mr. Brunello?
Yes.
Yes. Alright. What other facts can we write down that we learned about the executive branch?
The president is assisted by his cabinet
Okay.
of advisors.
So he has a cabinet of advisors. Who knows what the name of our president is right now? Who is our president of the United States? Anybody? Yes?
Trump.
Donald Trump, you're absolutely right. What about the governor
Did you
of
vote for him?
Ohio? Does anybody
Governor
know what the
of
who the governor of Ohio is? What do you think? Governor of Ohio. Yes.
Mike DeWine.
Mike DeWine. You're right. Mike DeWine is our governor of Ohio. Alright.
Good job.
What else can we write down about the executive branch?
Signs bills and makes laws. Signs bills into law.
Signs bills into law.
And can veto a law. What does that mean?
Veto means that they can say that they don't want it to be a law. They can decide whether it should be a law
So they
or
could
not.
cancel it.
Exactly.
Hmm.
So let's say that you decided that you didn't want school to be every day of the week. You just wanted one day a week, and then you sent a law to the executive branch, and they can veto and say, nope, we don't want school to be one day a week. Let's change it to 7 days a week instead.
Oh, yay.
Okay.
And it says he's commander-in-chief of the
President,
armed forces.
commander-in-chief.
So is he a soldier?
He is not a soldier. He just leads all of our armed force into war if there is a
Okay.
war. Alright. We have a lot about the executive branch. Let's move on to the legislative branch. First of all, what does the legislative branch do? Yes.
They make laws.
They make laws. Good job. Alright, who is in charge of the legislative branch at the federal level?
Congress.
Congress. Good.
And that's the Senate and the House.
Oh, I love all of the good facts you are taking out of this reading. And out of our week of talking about branches of government. What about at the state level? Is there anybody in charge of the legislative branch at the state level? What do you think?
State senators
Senators?
and representatives. Same name.
Good. What about at a local level?
They have a city council.
City council. Alright, what other facts can we come up with about the legislative branch? What do we think?
Two senators per state
Two senators per
and representatives are by population.
Good. That was one of the answers to our questions yesterday. Alright, let's move on to the judicial branch. Our last branch of government. Who can tell me what the judicial branch does?
Judges.
There was a word that we talked about over the last couple of days. What does the judicial branch
Interpret laws.
interprets the laws?
That's our question.
I love that you looked back at your question. Smallbug's having trouble writing and thinking at the same time. Alright, who is in charge of the judicial branch at the federal level?
Judges.
Judges. Good. And at the state level?
Judges.
Judges. And at the local level?
Judges.
Judges! Judges are in charge of the judicial branch all around. What else can we come up with about the judicial branch?
They hold court.
Hold court. Good.
And we have a Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
They're over all the judges.
Alright. Anything else that we can think of about the judicial branch?
No.
Alright, I want you to think of all of the things that we've talked about today. Take home your worksheet, take home your chart that you made, because tomorrow we're going to have a little quiz on all of the things that we learned over the last couple of days about the branches of government.